JJ9 Games here, and today we're going to have a FIFA 15 pack opening, and it's going to be a pretty big one. So, hope you guys enjoy. Sit back and relax. Get a snack. Hopefully we get some good pulls. The team of the week this week looks pretty sick. If we can get Pedro or Peter Cech, that would be just awesome. Yeah, so let's hop into it. See what featured packs. There is the rare player pack. So there's some pretty good packs. But I think the rare gold pack is the best one out of all. So we're going to open a few of those. And we start off with Daily Blind. And we do get Victor Bolasie, a very, very rare card. Quick sell the rest of these. Who do we get? Sven Bender. Not that great. He's going to get quick sold. Sorry. Come on, let's go. Let's get something good. Okay, Toni Kroos. That's perfectly fine. Yeah, so open the next pack. What do we get for 25k? We get David Luiz. Not a great pack there. We're going to quick sell those guys. Nose pack. Nose pack successful. And we get Felipe Santana, which really sucks. Let's go to regular packs. Let's open some 15k packs. They look pretty nice. And we get the legend Rui Patricio, Pazzini. Yeah, that's going to be it. If that was Ronaldo, my God. Let's get back to 25k. That was a pretty bad pack. And we get Mario Gomez. What a pull. No, just kidding. It really sucks. Higuain on the front. Who are you going to give us? Clichy. Clichy's okay. It's pretty bad. He's going to get quick sold, I guess. A new pack idea. Volume pack. Turn the volume on. Open the pack. And who do we get? We get DeSantis. Wait, did we get a no, we almost got a perfect link. Ridiculous. Okay, let's turn the volume back off. What other pack should we try? Let's try the pinky pack. I'm using my pinky. And who are we going to get? Totw. And we do get transferred Einler, which is good. By the way, if you're looking for any cheap, reliable Ultimate Team coins, make sure to check out MMOGA, the best website to get coins on. Yeah, that's what I use. Who do we get? We get Perrin. I think our best card has been Toni Kroos. That's pretty bad. Let's try a mega pack. 18 rare players, so should be good. And we get Costa. We get Pogba. Oh my God, we get Pogba. Yes. Just kidding, it's a troll Pogba. I will keep troll Pogba though. Okay, Lucas. That was our last. Mega Pack. Man, when they say Mega Pack, they mean Mega Pack. That thing is huge. Okay, Hazard on the front. Hazard in the pack, please. Felipe Melo. Like, usually we're not getting, like, we haven't gone over 8. We've gone over 83 once, and it was 85, so, yeah. Muslera. Who do we get? Eden Hazard. Come on. Give us luck, Hazard. No. Clint Dempsey. Ah. Okay, come on. Alba on the pack. David Alba. We do get Mascherano, Troll Messi. Ugh. Still pretty bad. We get the Legends, Diego Capel. But that doesn't do anything since we already have him. This really isn't going well. I'm doubting that we're going to get anything. I really am doubting that we're going to get anything. We're actually not going to get anything, guys. EA is just... They just don't want to give us good packs. I guess. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did we just do that? We just best team of the week. Just as I said that we're going to get nothing. We get team of the week. 86 rated Pedro. Oh my god. Work perfect in a BPL squad. Work perfect in a Spain squad. He's a player who I went out to get. Oh my god. That's crazy. Guys, that is just out of this world insane. Let me try and log into FIFA again. Oh my god. Just as I said that we got nothing in this pack opening, EA gives us Pedro. Oh my god. No way. That's absolutely insane. Toni Kroos was it's a good pull because I still have him, so it's a bad pull, but he really goes for nothing. And you want to give people a discount so you get your coins quick. So it'll only go for like 6K, but Pedro, he's new. I can use him. It's just awesome. I really wasn't expecting that. We get Pedro. Oh my god. Oh my god. It sucks that FIFA's not letting us on the game because I want to take a look at Pedro. But nevertheless, I'm happy. I'm so happy that we were actually able to pull him. And of course now FIFA's being annoying and not letting us on the game. But you know what? That's fine. It's been a great video pulling Pedro, Troll Pogba, and Toni Kroos. See you guys later. Peace.